Question 21. Again, there are 3 statement questions, so we need to check about the statement, whether they're correct one by one. So first of all, the statement 1 is talking about AG. It's a parallel to the straight line BF. And then in order to check whether they are parallel, we can just find out the angle. GAB and ABF, are they, the sum of them, are they equal to 180? So now we can just calculate the angle one by one. This time maybe we can calculate the angle quite quick. First of all, because this is a regular 8-side polygon, so every interior angle will be equal to 8 minus 2. That means 6 times 180 degree, and then over 8. And finally, this interior angle will be equal to 135 degree. 135 degree. And then after that, we know that AH will be equal to HG. Because this is the regular 8-side polygon, all the sides are the same. So that's why the triangle AHG is an isosceles triangle. And then because this is an isosceles triangle, so we can find out the angle HAG will be equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree, and then finally divided by 2, and that is actually equal to 22.5 degree. And then because of every interior angle for the regular 8-side polygon are the same, so we can find out the component, that means the angle BAG by just simple subtraction. 135 degree minus 22.5 degree, and then that's 112.5 degree. And then I think for find out the angle ABF will be a little bit easier, because BF actually is axis of refraction symmetry axis. So that's why you can just make half of the interior angle, and that finally will become 67.5 degree. And then now if you add the angle GAB and ABF together, then you can see that the sum of the angle will become 180 degree. And then now you can do the conclusion is the straight line AG will be parallel to BF. And then that's why the statement 1 is correct. And then for the statement 2, based on the observation, you can see the conclusion much more easier, because BD and the straight line GE. If you take a look about these two sides, I think it's not very difficult to know that BC will be equal to CD, and then equal to EF, and equal to FG. So that's why in these two triangle, that means the BCD triangle and the EFG triangle, you already have two pair of corresponding side. They are equal. They are with the same lengths. And then furthermore, because of every interior angle are the same, that means BCD, one of the interior angle, another interior angle, EFG, they're also the same. So that's why these two triangle, green and orange color triangle, they actually are congruent. They are congruent triangle, SAS. So that's why, of course, the corresponding side, BD, will be equal to EG. So that's why statement 2 is also correct. And then finally, now we can take a look about the statement 3. It says CAG is two times of the angle BDH. We can take a look. So let's see. In order to make the calculation more clear, maybe we can remove the inner size of the picture. So now we can take a look. If we talk about the angle CGA is here. And then if we undergo some simple drawing there, you can see this angle is actually formed by these four different parts. Again, because this is the right angle, the regular 8-side polygon. So we will know that these two angles, the yellow highlighted one, are the same. And then also, the green color highlighted, they are the same. And then now if we take a look about the other triangle, another angle there, that means the BDH. BDH if you observe carefully, you can see that the angle BDH is also consists of one yellow colored highlighted angle and one green colored angle. So that's why you can see the bigger angle CAG is consists of two yellow, two green. But the smaller angle BDH is consists of one yellow, one green. So that's why the relationship of them is actually really 2 times double of the BDH. So that's why I will say that the statement V is also correct. And then that's why the correct answer of 21